Virtuous Lady. Virtuous Lady.
Hello everyone and welcome to The Virtuous Lady with Loletta. On this channel, my goal is to motivate, inspire, and to encourage you to live your best life to the fullest. For those that are tuning in for the first time, I'd like to say welcome, welcome, welcome. And for those that are returning, I'd like to say thank you so much, and my loyal subscribers. On this channel, I'm going to be showing you how I put together a masculine tablescape that I'm going to be using for Father's Day to celebrate fathers. As you know, Father's Day is fastly approaching, and I wanted to be able to put together a video, a tablescape that was going to be kind of more specific to men on a manly level. To me, this was a little challenging because I'm so used to doing tablescapes that's full of frills, that's full of flowers, a little bling, you know, soft colors. But I wanted this to be a little different because I wanted this to be specifically for men, with that masculine look, but yet still have that elegant appeal to it. And I was able to create that, and that's what I would like to show to you and how I was able to put it together. The thing about it is living your best life to the fullest. I was able to shop my home, and I put this tablescape together for under $10. And that's the exciting part about it. When you're able to save money and yet come up with something that when they come down, it's like, wow. You know, it looks like you put a lot of effort into it and put a lot of thought into it. But, you know, it didn't really take a lot of time. So that means that this tablescape is very budget friendly. It doesn't take a lot of time to put it together. But yet and still, you get that wow factor, and you want to be able to set something up for them that's going to be extra special. Because Father's Day only comes around once a year. So let's just take it to the max and do the best that we can to give them that feeling, that show them how much we appreciate them. So that's what I'd like to share with you today and how I was able to put this together. And I'm so excited. I hope you enjoy it. And at this time, without further ado, we are going to get started. This is a tablecloth that I got from my thrift store haul. And I believe this is going to fit perfectly. The next thing I want to put down is these placemats. I got these gorgeous placemats for $7.99 at Ross. And what I like about them, they have that little silver accent on it. But what I decided to do, the opposite side is black. I'm going to be using the black side of it. I thought this was an excellent buy for the price. The next thing is going to be these woven rattan chargers, and I did use these before. I got these for $19.99 for a set of 4. These are white plates that I thrifted as well. I've used these before as well. And that's going to serve right here along with the matching bowl. I have this gold cutlery that I've used before. And I think this accents this table setting so perfectly. Our glasses. This is excellent for a as our water glasses here. The next thing I'm going to use are these brown napkins. These are cloth. I've had these for a while. And what I'm going to basically do, lay it over here, just tuck it down just a little. Just enough to grab the plate. And let the rest hang over. I'm going to be adding the second glass. This is a light blue tint. Just to give you an overcap of where we are so far, I think this looks very manly, but yet elegant at the same time. As you see, my colors are tan, black. This is like a tan tan, then it's black with and brown with a touch of blue. Now, as I always do things backwards, let me know if I'm not the only one that does this. I am going to be doing the centerpiece that goes in the middle. Okay, I'm going to start by using a clear cake plate. And I may have to adjust a few things along the way just to make things fit a little bit. The next thing I'm going to be using is this, I guess it was missing the top. I did pick this up in my thrift haul. Like I was telling you about adjusting to make everything fit. And it didn't come with a lid. It just came with the sides, but I knew I could work with it. And it fits right down in that holes there. And what I decided to do, this is going to be a table centerpiece based on the things that he likes. I am decorating this for my husband. My father's no longer with us. So right now, the only man in my life is my husband. And these are balls that I got from Ross. They were $7.99 and I got a huge bag of them. It just fits that manly look that I'm looking for. And this is a seashell, a star. My husband loves the beach. We don't really get in the water a lot, but we both like going and being around and just relaxing. So this is what inspired me for that. This right here I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance, and it's a W. I'm going to place that right there. Now, I am going to put a Bible here. My husband reads the Bible quite regularly, as being a pastor. Plus, I needed a riser. I'm going to turn this here. This is a camera that I got from the Dollar Tree. I was originally going to paint it black, but then I realized I really didn't have to. He loves taking pictures. Anybody knows him, he loves his coffee. So I got this as a gift, but I noticed that it came from the Dollar Tree. And this is one of those mugs that has the blue. And it also has just the perfect colors. And the next thing, this is one that I got from my thrift haul. And I had a pink one, but when I went back, they had this in a blue. And I got it for $1. I love it, love it, love it. And it has a cover that can come off, and I just cut a picture. One of my favorite pictures from a couple weeks ago of the beach. And this goes right on top. Kind of locks it in. I'm going to place this right here. One of the last things I'm going to place is greenery. I did go ahead and get these 2 bunches. I got 2 of them from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to place this right around. I'm going to place one up here. And what I try to do is hide the tail of it. I'm going to take the other plates and place that right around the bottom. And one more thing, it's another of the starfish shells. Just gotta make it fit in there, maneuver it, position it where it won't fall. I have a few of these pieces that I'm reusing that I got from one of my pieces that I took apart. And I'm going to place this right around the bottom. And the other one I'm going to place right around here. What I usually do is just bend it up if I need it to stand up. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust my glasses and I'll be right back. Now this is the look that we're looking for with a flowing tablecloth. Crisp white. We have the white dinner plates in our salad bowl. The gold, modern flatware that accents this very well. Centerpiece is a little different, but to me, I think it came out absolutely amazing. But his picture here makes him feel extra special that he is. And I just pretty much shop my house for picking up things that describes who he is. Give me your opinion and let me know how you like this tablescape. Also, as I said earlier, let me know if you put your centerpiece up last. In closing, I'd like to take this time to congratulate all the men out there who are working diligently to be good fathers, whether they are stepfathers, biological fathers, or spiritual fathers. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers.